In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an activity in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you're managing deals, follow-ups, or meetings, activities, keep your pipeline moving and setting one up is quick and straightforward. Start by heading to the Activities section on the left sidebar. This is your home base for everything you need to do in Pipedrive. When you click it, you'll see a list of your upcoming and past activities. Depending on your view, they might be grouped by due date, type, or status. Take a quick look to get familiar with what's already scheduled and what needs attention. At the top of this list, you'll find a plus icon. Click that to create a new activity. This opens the activity form, where you'll add the essential details. Think of this as the who, what, and when of your task. Give your activity a clear subject so it's easy to recognize later. Choose the activity type, such as call, meeting, task, or deadline, so it's categorized correctly. Set the due date and time to make sure it lands in your calendar in the right spot. If you're coordinating with a team, you can assign it to the right person. Otherwise, it stays with you. Link the activity to the right context. Connecting it to a deal, a person, or an organization helps you find it faster and keeps your records tidy. Add any details in the notes field, what you plan to discuss, goals for the conversation, or relevant context. If timing matters, set a reminder so you get a nudge before it's due. A quick reminder can be the difference between a missed call and a closed deal. Before you save, double-check the key fields: title, type, date, and time, and any links to deals or contacts. Keeping these accurate ensures your dashboard and calendar display exactly what you expect. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new activity will appear at the top of your list or in the appropriate date section, ready for you to act on. That's all there is to it. You opened activities from the left bar, reviewed your list, clicked the plus icon to start a new item, entered the details, and saved. With this simple flow, you can plan your day, keep commitments visible, and maintain momentum across your pipeline. Practice it a few times, and it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and keep your activities organized so your deals never slip through the cracks.